It might topple over. Wait, which one's mine?
I think these ones are.
I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 7 for myself.
Oh.
Because there was one that's open.
One.
Yeah. So this one was open. So this is the first one I opened, guys. My very first skull calendar.
It's me.
You haven't opened one yet, Josh?
I haven't opened one yet.
Oh, I forgot this comes with an umbrella.
It's so cute.
Hey, Ubby, did you buy Pop Mart stuff too? Or you opened it already?
I'm gonna
We're
open this
unboxing
one
it
last.
now.
I think the Zodiac.
I'm gonna unbox it last.
Yeah.
Oh, me too.
These two.
What if
I'm gonna
like
open
whatever
this
you get in here is your actual soulmate? But it's like not necessarily like romantic soulmate, just a soulmate in
I'm gonna
general.
open this.
Ooh.
What do I want though?
So this is.
I want the
This is-
secret.
I know. I want the.
Or the
secret.
bowling. The bowling or the secret.
So pretty, the packaging.
I'm also opening the duck.
Same finish.
I kind of want the ping pong because it has bangs. Open sesame. Oh yeah, don't look inside. Yeah, I'm opening mine now. Hold on.
Oh, that's so cute. What did I get?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This
Look
is
at the hair.
Oh,
It's so funny.
that's so freaking
This looks so
cute.
funny. Wait.
So this one is
Oh, it comes
polo.
with something, right? What the heck? Golf club.
It's so freaking cute. Oh my
Look, it has-
goodness.
I have a like a. What is this?
And then you
I think so.
you basically like put this on here like this.
What did you get? It's, so
It's an
cute.
angle.
I want another.
Wait, I cannot put this on. This is hard to put in.
That's pretty.
I love Nori's one because it has the hair. We're like children. Guys, we're like kids. This is our inner child feeling. Now that we have money, we can buy whatever the fuck we want. Oh, do you just...
How do you open this though? Is there like a
milk.
I know. I don't want to ruin the top.
Which one should I open next? Because I think I got mostly Skull Panda. I'll do those last.
Wait, I'm opening this.
Nori is opening the
Camping.
camping one. I'm open.
Hachi Popo. I don't know which one I want.
Hachi
I
Popo.
want anything.
This is the baby one. Wait, let's see. Oh my god, everything's cute though. I don't know what I want. I don't know if you guys can see that. Which one do you want though?
I want the snowman. This cake.
The snowman is nice
This
though.
I don't like it.
This one's kind of hard. Oh, 3 bears. 3 bears is cute. Oh, even the daddy. Oh. Wait, put it closer to the camera. Wait, what is that?
So I think that's like Stargate.
Oh my goodness. Wait, look at this.
This is cute.
What did you get? Oh, we're not sure yet. Oh my god.
Bobo and Popo.
Guys, Bobo means stupid in Tagalog right now.
Oh, it's so cute.
This is Josh's one. What is this one called? You got the... Wait, which one is that? The Bryophytes or something? Wait, I need to open this one first. The Hachi Popo. Oh wait, I'm not allowed to look inside because I would know which one I get. Look at this. Everything's cute for this one though. There's the frog. It's me. It's a baby. Oh, this. What's this? Oh my gosh. What?
Oh, it's so cute.
And then it came with a lily pad. So this is supposed to sit on there? Like this? Where does the front go? Oh, it just sits next to it. It's supposed to be upside down.
Oh,
So it's like,
that's so cute.
yeah. It's called Waiting for Rain. Hachipuku. Got in there. I'm not gonna take this off, honestly. We don't know yet. What's next? I want to do the Zodiac last. Oh yeah, okay.
I
I'll
don't
open
care
that
which
too.
one. I don't care
Is
which
this
one
yours?
I get. Oh yeah.
For the Skull Panda, I am a bit more picky though. So we got, this is the Alice in Wonderland, I think. Yeah. Our lighting's so shitty. The Lethargic. Oh my god, I want that one. It's the caterpillar. Okay, I'm gonna open this.
Ooh.
I want the lethargic one, so caterpillar.
Wait. Which one is this? Sleeveless?
Wait, this is also pretty though.
That
Yo.
looks so nice. Is that a bunny?
Yeah, it's the rabbit. I love the cards that come with it.
What the
It's
heck?
so nice. This kind of looks like it belongs to this collection, don't you think so?
Yeah. That's nice.
It's so pretty. I love the Skull Panda the most, guys.
It's so cool together.
Wait, put it on the camera so people can see.
Oh.
This is Nori's one.
It's called Sleeveless.
It looks so
That's
good.
all of us right
I like how it's this, and then Nori got another one that was like on a sleeping bag.
Yeah, I'm opening the Zodiac. Hope I get Leo.
I'm gonna open this again. Which one did I get last time? I actually don't remember. Oh, the Raining Day is the one that I got. You can't really see it.
Oh, it's
Wait, so let me open this. This one I don't care for which one I get. Oh, he swallows. Alright, so I don't care for like whatever I get. Wait, this kind of matches the rabbit. Look. Look, they match. This one is called. Which one is this? The Day Off. That's what it's called. They're so pretty. The Skull Pandas, whoever designed them, they deserve everything that they need. Okay, this one's next. It's called Fashion Icon. I want Idol Trainee for this one, or Pink Girl. I love the box. It's so pretty. Cotton candy vibes. Let's open it. This is not ASMR, by the way. I opened the boxes the way I want to. Are you guys going back there? What did I say I want? Either the Idol Trainee or Pink Girl. Abam.
I get what I want.
Is this the Idol? We actually got it! Idol Trainee. Look. So freaking cute. It came with a sign with it.
This is so cute.
I don't know what. Oh, it says Skull Panda. It's time for Zodiac, guys. The moment of truth.
Oh, there's
What
a
can I
secret
get?
one?
I want to get the Gemini one. Okay. We don't know what we're gonna get, but I want the Gemini one. Ba-bum. Ba-bum-bum. Is this Aries?
Yeah.
Wait, this is so cute though. I don't mind it.
Wait, is that?
I think so.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's pretty cute. I want to keep the
I
boxes.
want one of them.
So that's everything that we bought. I spent Wait, so that's $15 a piece. What's 15 times 7? And then what's the free one? We actually got a free one because we combined our purchase, so it was like $200. We got this. I'm not gonna unbox it because it's limited edition. Technically, how many pieces was made? Like 100. And the original price for this is $38. It's like more than twice the price of these measures. Never gonna open. But that's unboxing, y'all.